Okay, good afternoon everyone. So today we will be doing exercise 5.3. Firstly, we have to keep in mind that we will be doing prime factorization. So when a number is written as the product of prime factors, okay, when any number that we can write as the product of prime factors, it is called prime factorization of the number. So now what do you mean by product? Product means multiplication. So when we write prime factors, when we write the product of prime factors, and then like this we do the prime factorization of a number. Okay, so for example, like this we have written this prime factors, we have written this is not a prime number. As you can see here, these all are the prime factorization of different numbers. Okay, so the first question that we are having is the prime factorization of 48. How we will find the prime factorization of 48? So firstly, what you have to do is you have to make this number like this. You have to start from 48. Okay, so 48 comes in the table of, you have to use the smallest prime number here. You have to keep in mind that you have to use prime number first thing, and it should be smallest, the smallest prime number that can divide that number. Okay, so for 48 we are having the smallest prime number, that is 2. Okay, so when you divide 2 by 48, so if you can see here, 4 comes in the table of 2 at 2 and 8 at 4. So the division, after dividing 48 by 2, we will get 24. You can simply divide this number also, or you can use this trick also. Now 24, again 24, the smallest prime number will be 2, that we can divide with. Okay, so now 2 comes in the table of 2 at 1 and 4 at 2 table 2. Okay, so the answer will be 12. Okay, now 12 come in the table of 2 at 6. So now again 6. Now 6 come in the table of 2 at 3. So that's why we will write 3 here. 3 is the smallest prime number now. So we will write 1. 3 के table में 3 1 पे आता है. So the prime factorization of the 48 will be 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied with 3. 1 2 3 4 4 2's and 1 3, and you have to put multiply sign in it. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 48. Okay, like this also we have been given a question in question number 2 in this book. We have to complete these boxes here, as you can see. Okay, so now what you will do is, some numbers are factorized using repeated division method. Okay, this is the repeated division method. Fill in the boxes, then write the prime factorization of each number in the given spaces. One is done for you. So you have to just fill the boxes here. As you can see, we are filling the boxes here. So now firstly I will start with 104. Okay, I will start with 104. So how you will do 100 for 104? Let me show it to you. We will do for 104 like this. Okay, the smallest prime number for 104 will be 2. Okay, so now 1 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will take 10. 10 come in the table of 2 at 5 and 4 at 2. Okay, like this. Now again 2, then 52, as you can see, again we can divide it by 2. So now 2 will be 4 comes in the table of 2 at 2, and 12 come in the table of 2 at 6. Okay, so it will be 26. Now 2 again, as 6 is there, 6 is even number and it will be divisible by 2. So now 26. Now 2 comes in the table of 2 at 1 and 6 come at the table of 2 at 3. So 13. So now again 13 and this 1. So we will be filling this boxes like this. 52 come in the table of 2, 26 at the table of 2, and 26 will be 13. He has left this question here. You can write 13 here and 1 down. Okay, so this will be the prime factorization of 104. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13. So this will be the prime factorization of this number. Now 90. Now 90, you have to take the smallest prime number, so that is 2. Okay, so 2 के table में 90 comes at, now 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will take 8. 8 come in the table of 2 at 4. Now 1 is left, so we will keep that 1 in front of 0, so that will become 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So the answer is 45. This is a trick to do. You can simply divide 90 by 2 also. You can get 45 like this. Now 45, as you can see here, that you have to 45 can go with the table of 5 also and 3 also. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that you have to check whether this coming from going from 2, 3, or then you will come to 5. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is 9, so it means that it will be divisible by 3. So now 3, for 3 we will divide it by 3. How? You will what you will do is 4 doesn't come in the table of 3, so you will take 3 here. So 3 comes in the table of 3 at 1, and 1 is left, so 15 come in the table of 3 at 5, so 15 will be the answer. Again you will use 15 divide 3 with 3 divide 15 by 3, so 3 come in the 15 come in the table of 3 at 5. So that now you will write the prime factorization: 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So this is the prime factorization of 90. Okay, like this also, as you can see, 88. Okay, so again you will take the smallest prime number, that is 2, that is given. Okay, so now 2 divided by 8, 88 divided by 2, so then it will be 8 will go at 4 2 table, and 8 again 4, so 44 will be the answer. Now 44 again we will divide it by 2, so the answer will be 22. Okay, now 22, obviously this is having last prime number at the even number at the last, so it will again divide by 2, so the answer will be 11. So you can write 11 here and 1 next. So the prime factorization of 88 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 11. You have to write this number. Okay, now next is 196. 196 even number at the last, so you will divide it by 2. Okay, you have to check. So then 2 we will write, so 19 doesn't come in the table of 2, 18, so it will be 9. 16 come in the table of 2, so then it will be 8. Now 98 left, again prime number, so you will divide it by 2. Now the answer will be 2 divided, 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, but 8 comes, that will be 4. 18 comes at 9. So 49 will be answer. Now 49 doesn't come in the table of 2, 3, 5, then we will go for 7. Now 7 the 49, so then that's why 7. You can write the prime factorization as 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. This is the prime factorization of 196. Like this we will be doing all the questions that is given to you. Okay, so here as you can see, I have done 3 parts here. 75, for 75 obviously you will use 2, you cannot use through 2, you can use 3. Okay, smallest number you have to write, so I have written 5 here, it's okay. Again we will get 3 here. So now 5 table 75, then it will be 15. Okay, now 15 you can write 3, so I have forgot, you can write 3 here also, but then if you are writing 3 here, so 3 will 15 come in the table of 3 at 5, so 5 they come in the table of 5 at 1. So that's why the prime factorization is 5 multiply 5 multiply by 3. It can be written as 3 multiply 5 multiply by 5, doesn't matter, both are same. Okay, 68 I have kept in mind, you have to use the smallest number here, so 2. So 8 is a even number, so we will divide it by 2 first, so that will be 6 comes in the table of 2 at 3, 8 comes in the table of 2 at 4, 34. Now 34 again, because it is having last even number, so we will divide it by 2. Then 2, 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so 2, 1, and 14, 7. So 17 will be answer. 17 is a prime number, so we will divide it by the same number 17 and the 1, 1. So 68 prime factorization will be 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 17. Okay. Again 144 prime number at the even number at the last, so it can be divided by 2. Then 14 comes in the table of 2, 7, 4 at 2. So again even number, so we will divide it by 2 again. Now 2 7 doesn't come in the table of 2, so 6, 3, and 12 at 12 at 6. So now we get answer 36. You can simply divide 72 by 2 also. Now 36 2 के table में 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, but 2 comes, so 1, and 16 at 8. 2 के table में 18 आता है, yes आता है 9 पे. Now 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will use 3. So 3 comes 9 come in the table of 3 at 3, so we can write 3 here and 1 here. So the prime factorization will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. So 4 times 2 and 3 times 2 times 3. 108 and 125 I have given you homework. Now the next question is, which number has the first 6 prime number as its only prime factors? You have to tell for ऐसे नंबर जिसकी वजह से जिसके अंदर सारे फर्स्ट 6 प्राइम नंबर्स आते हैं उसके फैक्टर्स हैं. सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू राइट द फर्स्ट 6 प्राइम नंबर्स, दैट इज 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. You just simply multiply this prime numbers. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 13। जब आप इन 6 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपके पास आंसर ये आ जाएगा। सो ये इकलौता नंबर है जिसके अंदर हम फर्स्ट 6 प्राइम नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ताकि हमारा आंसर जो है ये आ जाए। ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर। ओके, bye bye students, I hope that you have understood the concept.